Good afternoon, Columbia Wonders project teachers. It's Heather, and I am thrilled to talk with you for just a few minutes today. I really won't take over 6 or 7 minutes of your time. I know it's very valuable, and we are going to meet next Monday, so I'm really excited about that. Keep in mind, I know you're doing fantastic things out there, so bring a celebration, something to share, an idea that you've had or something working well, something that we can all celebrate with you, and that's how we're all going to learn and put the best ideas into place. This is just a quick reminder about a couple of things on your Wonders dashboard. So this is your teacher dashboard. Hopefully it looks familiar. If you are not using it, I would encourage you to give it a try. All of these things here are designed to make your life easier. From this main page, from the dashboard, if your calendar's set up, it's going to go day to day according to your calendar. We'll talk about how to make changes if you're needing to do that. Everything on here, including that launch, you get here to click go, and it will go in order or the way that you've customized that presentation each day. We'll talk a little bit more about how to do that next week, as well as if you choose to edit that. Now you can always launch it and just go between slides, not editing it, but if you want to edit and you don't use your online planner that automatically connects to that, you can just click this edit button. It will bring you to this screen where you are welcome to go to any cogwheel on any digital resource. And if you just click that little arrow next to that cogwheel, if you click remove, it will take that out. Or this is changeable by a quick drag and drop. So you can change this and only put the slides in there that you want to use. And then it will be customized that way. Now, the ones that you take out are not gone forever. They are actually in this classroom materials bin, which is right here in this next little folder. So you can also choose from here and add things back in if you choose to do that. From here, I'm going to go back to my home page. So I'm going to go back to the Wonder sticker. Remind you that on this dashboard, your weekly printables are available here, or these practice pages are assignable through the online assessment center and they are graded for you. And then they feed into that data dashboard, so those things are designed to save you time. As well as weekly games that are connected to what you're learning about are automatically in the student center. And let's take a look, a reminder about that student center and what that looks like. So I'm going to click back out to ConnectEd so I can go into the student side. Now you don't have to do this. This is what happens when your students automatically log in. They also won't have to choose a class here. This is just because I have multiple classes. But remember, this is an automatic workstation for your students. So every day this is a ready-made workstation or center. Students log in and they have this menu. If you've assigned them anything to do, such as an online assessment or practice, it'll come up in their to-do list. Their weekly high frequency or vocabulary words come up in this words to know category.
Words to know.
Here they can actually click into their vocabulary words.
Severe. Something severe is very harsh or severe.
Anything that games-wise is associated with that week of study is located here. They can log in and play those games. And then their books.
Read.
For that book set, automatically associated here. They can click into those books. And with the audio features, they can pre-read or reread anything that you choose for them to access. Remember that these pieces are automatically in these, categorized in these sections in the Student Center, as well as their opportunity to go to school to home. Parents can go here, click school to home. They have a letter that is automatically constructed for you each week, but fully customizable with word workouts, comprehension checks, and their spelling lists. So unless you customize these are going to go just in a general form into the school to home place each week, or 2 weeks, depending on your length of study. So keep in mind, students also can get back to their student homepage or dashboard by clicking that Wonder sticker, taking them back to this ready-made set of resources associated with your genre study. Those are just a few of the reminders before we meet next week. I'm excited. If there's anything that you think of that you want to make sure that we touch base or find out, you can of course ask me that day. But if you'd like it on the agenda, I think the majority of what we're going to learn is going to be small groups, options for workstations. We're going to learn how to assign online assessments. And if there are other things that you'd like to do, include it on that Google Doc where we have all been listing our questions. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I can't wait to see you next week. Talk to you soon.